Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can upscale footage in Premiere Pro. Go ahead and open up Premiere Pro. Sorry about the background noise, it's AC. It's hot in my room. And go ahead and open a new project or existing project or whatever you want. And go ahead, right click on the little box right here, import your media. Say you want to upscale you want to upscale this right here. Drag it into your timeline. So before you import it, make sure you would delete the sequence if you did. Right click, new, item, sequence, settings, scroll up until you see custom, click on it. Set your frame rate to the frame rate that your video is at. And then right here, frame size. Say you want to do it to 4K, so 3840. 2160. You can see now it's 4K sequence. Leave all that the same. Hit OK. Drag your footage into here. Click. This is important. Clip existing settings. Now you see this? It's like black all around it like that. To fix that, zoom in to your footage. Right click it, scroll down it if you can't see it, and then hit set to frame size right here. Now look at this, it's upscaled. And now it is 4K. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.